morning and welcome to FARAH News Tonight, your trusted source for financial reporting updates. I am SOFEA MAISARA and today we will be discussing how Malayan Banking Berhad or Maybank presents its financial performance according to two key accounting standards, which is MFRS 8 Operating Segment and MFRS 134 Interim Financial Reporting. Let's begin with our business correspondent Sofia Maisara, who will tell us more about MFRS 8. MFRS 8 is operating segment requires companies to disclose financial information for each of their business segments. These disclosures are prepared based on how the management actually monitors and evaluates the business internally. Through this approach, users of financial statements are able to see the performance of each segment more clearly, which helps them make better and more informed decisions. Now let's go to QAISARA, who will explain more about MFRS 8 and the role of the Chief Operating Decisions Maker in Maybank.
Now, let's talk about the Chief Operating Decision Maker, or CODM. This is the individual or group responsible for key operational and strategic decisions, including allocating resources and reviewing segment performance. The CODM is identified by the role they perform, not their job title under MFRS 8 and IFRS 8, and segment reporting must reflect the information they review to assess performance. Continuing with example of the Chief Operating Decision Maker in Maybank. First, we have Datuk Seri Karosale Ramli, the non-independent executive director, serving as president and group chief executive officer. He leads the overall strategy, makes high-level decisions, and oversees the performance of the company's various business segments. Second, Datuk John Chong Eng Chuan, the group chief executive officer of Global Banking, together with the senior management committee, review business segments, allocate resources, and sets the overall direction of the group. This example shows that the CODM role can be held by a single executive or management team depending on the organization's structure, ensuring that strategic decisions are effectively aligned with the business performance. Financial news now. Maybank's latest reports reveal its strategic blueprint through two key segment types. First, the business segment report shows where their profit originate. The data reveals group and commercial banking as their top performer, generating over 3.8 billion ringgit in operating profit, closely followed by community financial services. Second, the geographical segment report tracks their international footprint. The numbers confirm Malaysia as their dominant market, accounting for a massive 63% of their total loan portfolio, with Singapore as their crucial second hub at 26%. The evidence is clear. Maybank's strength lies in traditional banking, concentrated in Malaysia and Singapore.
Next, I will continue by explaining the key benefits of segmental reporting shown in the slide. On the left side, we have two main benefits. The first is enhanced insight into geographic performance. This means segmental reporting provides a clear basis for users to evaluate management international strategy. It also helps stakeholders understand how the company's diverse operating environment affects its financial results. The second benefit is understanding management decision-making. Through segmental reporting, users are transformed from passive readers into evaluator of management strategy. It also helps stakeholders to see how effectively the leadership is steering the corporate ship by nurturing successful divisions. On the right side is the analysis by geographical locations from Maybank segmental informations. Here we can see the net operating income and profit before taxations and zakat across different regions. Total Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia and other locations. The bar shows the income figures in net operating income, which is RM 29,573 million, along with the percentage changes of 8.1%. For example, Malaysia shows strong growth in both net operating income and profit before tax and zakat, while Indonesia shows a decline in both areas. Overall, this analysis demonstrates why segmental reporting is important. It provides a clearer and more detailed understanding of how each geographic segment contributes to the company overall performance. That's all for MFRS 8. Now let's move on to the MFRS 134 with Adriana, who will explain more Maybank interim financial reporting.
Thank you, Sophia, for your explanation. Next, into the business segment, we highlight interim financial reporting under MFRS 134, followed by two key developments involving Maybank that have taken place since the end of its last annual reporting period. So, what is MFRS 134? MFRS 134 is an accounting standard that provides the principles and guidance for preparing interim financial reports. So it ensures that the company present timely and relevant financial information for shorter reporting periods such as quarterly or semi-annual reports. The main purpose is to help users understand a company's financial position and performance between annual reports by setting clear requirements for content, presentation, and disclosure of interim financial statements.
Thank you, Adriana. We now turn to two significant events and transactions that have influenced Maybank financial position and performance. For the first quarter of 2025, Maybank reported a net profit of 2.59 billion for the quarter ended 31st March 2025. This represents a 4% increase year-on-year, supported by higher net interest income and stable asset quality. In terms of financial performance, the higher profit shows improved business efficiency and better control over costs, indicating that Maybank performed stronger in this quarter compared to last year. Meanwhile, the impact on the financial position is also positive. The increased profit strengthened shareholder equity and the overall capital base, improving Maybank's financial stability and its ability to pay dividend. And now, the second significant event, Maybank has successfully mobilized over 150 billion in sustainable finance across Asia, surpassing an 80 billion target for 2025. This includes green loan, ESG-linked bond, and responsible investment activities. For financial performance, expanding sustainable financing allows Maybank to create new income sources and strengthen its long-term profitability. As for the financial position, the strong ESG performance enhances Maybank brand reputation, improve investor confidence, and can reduce its cost of funding, all of which help improve its financial position. This graph shows Maybank's sustainable finance increasing every year. It started low in 2021, goes up again in 2022 and 2023, and reaches the highest point in 2024 at 46.69 billion. The total amount collected over the years is 115.17 billion, which means Maybank has already passed its 18 billion target earlier than expected.
Thank you, IRDINA, for your explanation. Lastly, I will tell you about interim reporting period for both current and comparative interim financial statement in a tabular format. So, Maybank accounting period is on 31st December annually, and we are referring to the interim report of second quarter, which is from 1st April 2025 until 30th June 2025. From the table of unaudited income statement and comprehensive income, we can see that reporting period for current interim is 3 months, which is from 1st April 2025 until 30th June 2025. Next, the period for cumulative year to date is 6 months, from 1st January 2025 until 30th June 2025. For comparative, current interim is 3 months, which is from the 1st April 2024 until 30th June 2024, and for the comparative year to date is 6 months, from 1st January 2024 until 30th June 2024. Other than that, we have unaudited statement, financial statement. The accounting period is 3 months. For current interim is from 1st April 2025 until 30th June 2025, and 12 months for comparative period end of year from 1st January 2024 until 31st December 2024. And last but not least, for an audited statement of changes in equity and statement of cash flow. The accounting period for cumulative year to date is 6 months, from 1st January 2025 until 30th June 2025. And for comparative year to date, also 6 months, from 1st January 2024 until 30th June 2024. And that wraps up today's news. Thank you for spending your time with us, and we will see you again soon. Have a great day ahead.